Hi guys, Steve the Transit Camper. Something different for the channel today. Little T next door has offered to build my new vestibule outside the house. Porch I call it, Big Jace calls it a vestibule. What's that all about? So we're building a new porch. We're taking the aluminium one down and we're putting the PVC one up. It's going to look good. Stick around. Nice little video for you.
That's the work.
Superb.
But it's cleaning up, isn't it?
Yeah. So I've been given this job. Just got to cut some packers, 70mm long. I'll do it on there, much easier. Job done.
How many tools are these? Are yours, Steve?
What do you mean, how many tools are mine? How rude.
You can go up there.
It's looking better already. Hope you're enjoying this one. Bit of fun. He's got me fetching the glass now. I could have done that really. Tony's just given me a tip on glazing. Don't fit it, hit it. Unbelievable. I knew I built baby a summer house for some reason. Store the glass in. Guttering's coming down now. Little T's up the ladder. Getting covered.
This is going to tip on you.
Don't tip it on me.
Well, get over here.
I got it. So So it's day 2 of the project. Little T's already been out, 8 o'clock in the morning. And we've took that guttering down as you saw. We're going to crack on now and we're off to the shop to buy the new guttering. So it's all coming together, really pleased. We're at the scrapyard, see if we can get a bit of money for the aluminium from the windows. That's good, they weigh the van, then they take it off, and then they give you the difference. Cool. Quick stop at the recycling centre. Got rid of that rubble and a few of the old bricks. I got this job, look, just put a piece of wood in. I'll sort that out. Little T's on the technical stuff. He's going to start filling that in. I've been given this job now to set that up, get it the right angle, and get it back to Little T and hope it's right. Woohoo! I'm only going to get one go at this. That's why I've got the glasses on. That last one was so good, he gave me 2 more to do.
What we got in this bag, mate? And it all oozed everywhere. Of course, you had trouble getting it off. Need to keep the damn cores down, see?
Made a start in the guttering now. So this is where we are now. Mrs. Baby has done the floor, and what a wonderful job she's made of that. She's moved in some plants. She's moved in a shoe rack. I've done a bit of wiring. And that's looking good. Just try that light on, baby. Oh, sexy. Now we have got this wall to paint. Paint's coming for that tomorrow. I've got to take this beading off, and then I'm just going to flat the ceiling with a sander. And we're going to paint that, and we're going to put some beading up around here. We haven't got the front door, that's why it's so loud in here. We're waiting for that. That comes on Wednesday. So we're getting there. So it is looking good. I will have one final shot on this video which will show everything done as we walk through the house. And we're really, really pleased. And Little T is so talented, it's amazing. No job's too small for that guy. And he's really helped me on this one, so thank you very much, Little T. And I'll show you the end result after this section. On the final bit of trimming here on the outside, looking good. Got Little T back here now. It rained all day yesterday, so we couldn't do anything yesterday. He's just finishing off a bit of trimming. Looking good. Here he is on the job. I've done a bit of expert filling here, ready to sand down. Little T's outside. Mrs. Baby's moved in, bit of decorating. Oh, nice stippling, baby. Got little T up the ladder again. He's cracking on, tidying up, looking good. Right, I'm just coming off break. Let's see what's going on. Oh, Tony's still at it. I've had my break. Have you had a break yet?
No, you won't let me.
Unbelievable. So this is the final part. Just got a little piece of wood holding that trim up. Stop it dropping while it dries. But trimmed all around, trimmed in front. Superb. Mrs. Baby has got all her signs in. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.